Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Bisho, internet marketer and founder of Maxi Marketing. Let me tell you something personal. Back when I first started after marketing in 2020, I focused only blog posts, social media, YouTube videos. I was driving clicks, sure, but my conversion was unpredictable. Some days I made money, some days I made nothing. Then in 2021, I started collecting emails. I built my first email list. I write my first three-part sequence, and boom, my sales become consistent, passive, predictable. Affiliate marketing is the engine. The email marketing is the fuel, keeps it running even while you sleep. Today I will show you the exactly why combining email and affiliate marketing is the number one formula for building passive income in this time and how you can start doing it right away. Let's break down a affiliate marketing is all about promoting someone else's product and getting a commission, but here is the problem. Most people send traffic straight to an affiliate link and that's on short chance. If the visitor does not buy immediately, you are lost them. Now enter email marketing. If you collect the email list first, follow up, you build trust, you promote multiple offers over the time. Not just one. Fact, according to HubSpot, it takes an average to 7 touches before someone buys. That's exactly what email lets you do. Follow up multiple times without spamming. Let's tell numbers. Email marketing has an average ROI of $42 for every bucks spent. GetResponse ran a study on 1,000 affiliate marketers and found that those who used email earned 2.4x more than those who railed on the social media or direct links alone. Personally, when I added email to my funnels, my monthly affiliate income grew by 118 in first 90 days. Then it's not theory, it's a proven, it's a reputable, it's scalable. Let me show you the exact funnel I use and I recommend to anyone starting out. Step 1. The lead magnet you offer something valuable in exchange for an email. It could be a free ebook, a checklist, a video, training, a mini course. Example, download my free affiliate tool checklist for 2025. Use a landing page tool like system.io, GetResponse, ConvertKit. Step 2. The welcome email sequence. Once they opt in, they receive 3 to 5 emails over the few days. Here's the what this look like. Email 1. Think them that deliver the freebie and emails 2. Share your personal story, build trust. Email 3. Provide value plus soft piece and affiliate product. Email 4. Answer FAQ or objections. Email 5. Bonus tip plus stronger CTA is email includes 1 to affiliate links built but positioned naturally. Insert helpful content, use a tool like MailerLite or GetResponse to automate the sequence. Step 3. Weekly value plus offers. After the intel sequence, you stay in touch. Send weekly tips, product reviews, industry update, personal insights, affiliate recommendations. That builds your brand and you become a more than just another link dropper. Remember, people buy from those they trust. Your emails are the bridge between curiosity and conversions. Here's what makes it so powerful. Instead of making a sale from a on visit, you are building an asset. Email list lets you promote multiple affiliate products, launch your own offers layer, drive repeat traffic to your blog or YouTube. Build a brand, not just a side hustle. Let me give you an example from my funnel. Single subscriber download my checklist, bought 29 product on day 1, bought a 99 tool from my email on day 12. Subscribed a recurring software with my link a month later, all that. From on email opt-in, that's what I call compounding commissions. A quick warning, here's what to avoid. Don't send only affiliate links with a mixed value. Don't buy email leads, build your own list. Don't ignore mobile optimization. Over 60% read emails on phone. Don't skip disclaimer. Always disclosure after links. Build trust plus legal safety. And don't worry, you don't need to be a copywriter. Use simple, honest language, be helpful. That's what works in this time. Affiliate marketing plus email marketing is a passive income machine, but only when you do it right thing. Let's recap. Start with a simple lead magnet, use a 3 to 5 email sequence, promote helpful tools and offers, keep sending weekly value, automate it, and it run in the background. This is how I have built my brand, my income, and my future, not by caching traffic, but by nurturing it. If you learned something new, drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with email plus affiliate marketing? And hey, if you want to copy my funnel templates, checklist, or tool, they're all in on my blog. Please check out the description box. Thanks for watching. I am Bisho. Keep growing, keep earning, and I will see you in the next one.